Last class, you guys stopped with the sign arrive. Today, we're ready to finish that paper on the back side with just a few words left. First, the sign for get, to get, or to get something. Take 2 5 hands, start them open, pull them in towards you into closed S fist. The next one, the sign for voice off. We talked about this sign a little while ago when we learned the sign for voice, when I want you to use your voice. If you forgot, here is the sign. It's kind of like you're turning your voice box off. It is a modified X hand shape, and you're just kind of twisting it right here by your throat. The next one, the sign for hold on. Hold on. This is a signal that you can use when you are not quite done with signing a conversation with someone, but you need to break eye contact. So that way you can give them the hold on signal, take care of whatever you need to do, check your phone, etc., and then you can come right back and jump into the conversation. The next one, the sign for wait, you're going to use 2 5 hands, wiggle the fingers, put both hands off to your dominant side, wait. And the last one, the sign for homework, you're going to combine the sign for home, which is a duck hand shape. You place it at the mouth and up to the ear. It stands for where you eat and where you sleep, and you add the work or job sign after it. Homework. Homework. Let's practice. Let's review. To get, voice off, hold on, wait, homework.